Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And guess what time of month it is? It is Paper Pumpkin time. And I feel like I'm so late to the party these days. I mean, I know it comes from Utah, but I mean, I'm only in Pennsylvania. But everyone else has been showing and sharing their kits. And I just got mine today. But that's okay. Because yeah, that's fine. So this is the Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is for the month of June 2019, and it's called A Little Smile. Now, I have to tell you, I did cut the tape on here. I opened it up, and, well, yeah, I flipped that over. I took a peek. This is as far as I went. See, I did not unwrap any of that. But when I opened it up, this was inside. I had it flipped over because I was reading and looking at the stamps. But if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, like, why not? Oh, this is just, it's, you know, you come home after work and you have a stack full of bills, which really is no fun. But how much fun would it be to come home and you're going to pull in your driveway or, you know, pull up to your house or whatever it may be, and you see this bright orange box on your doorstep. You know, it's like a ray of sunshine on a crappy day, which today is Monday, and the weather is kind of crappy. It's supposed to rain all week, so I'm kind of excited because I got my Paper Pumpkin to play with. So anyhow, here is a flyer in here, Share a Little Love with Paper Pumpkin. It says, it feels good to do good, and even small acts of kindness can go a long way. To make it easier for you to spread sunshine in the lives of people you know, and even those you don't, we've designed this month's A Little Smile Kit. Stamp the mini cards and keep them in handy card holders so you're ready to scatter smiles everywhere you go. So watch our video at stampinup.com/sunshine to see how. Then share your own experience with #PaperPumpkin and #kindness on social media. So how fun is that? And this kind of gives you a little sneak peek, I'm thinking, as to what all is in this kit. Like I said, I went as far as, I was very excited when I saw the stamp color this week, and it's Coastal Cabana. Like, oh, just the word cabana kind of reminds me of Barry Manilow. Yeah, Barry Manilow. Do you know he was like the first one I saw in concert ever? Like, we won't even say how long ago, but it was in Philadelphia, and I'll never forget. And I mean, he's still performing. So, okay, sorry, tangent. Woohoo! What do you call that? Squirrel or chicken or something when you kind of get distracted. But cabana, you know, Barry. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, so here's the stamp set. And look at it. It's like a beachy theme. We got a sand dollar, some coral, a starfish, and a lot of nice sayings. Thank you, it means so much. Sorry, I have to tilt these. And then we have this, which is kind of looks like sand, maybe. You are amazing. You made my day special. Did I say that one? Thank you. It means so much. You made my day special. I think I read that one already. Okay. Just a little smile. Did I read this one? My day is better because of you. But how cute is that? I mean, so fun. And they're photopolymer. So they're not that cheesy, plasticky ones. These are photopolymer, good quality. Okay, so let's look. And save this paper too. I've seen some marvelous things. Paper Pumpkin has a Facebook group which you can join. You can join even if you're not a Paper Pumpkin member. And go see all alternative projects that people are doing. I mean, amazing. And every month Stampin' Up! Does a Facebook Live, and you know what, they give away like Paper Pumpkin, like they'll give away the one for July, you know. I actually earned one a few months back, and I was so excited because I got it before everyone else. Okay, so here we are, a little smile. These are the instructions, and here is everything. Look, all in your package, and I see some glimmer. Oh, do you see that? Ooh, that makes me happy. Never really a glimmer glamour girl, but since doing Stampin' Up, I've kind of crossed the glamour train. There's some little twine. And I like that they do it now on this little round cube thing. I think they're doing it now instead of these sheets too when you buy them, because I don't like, these get like all kinky and everything, you know. And that wasn't meant to be in a bad way. But being on this little roll, I mean, this keeps them nice. Okay. So I'm just going to do an unboxing. I'm not going to create anything. If you want to see what I create, I want to head on over to my Facebook page over at Stampin' Sue Creates. And you'll see when I create them, because I'm thinking maybe tonight. So let's see what we got here. This looks like vellum. Ooh. Yes, it is. Look at that. Let me put it on here. Can you see it there? Not really. Okay. Yeah, so she just moves on, right? Yeah. And look at this. This like punches out. This is like a heavy vellum cardstock. And these are pretty. Just looks like oceany. Okay. Oh, and this is the little packet. Oh my gosh, isn't this cute? Look at the little, that you can put your little cards in it. So how cute is that? And I'm not much into a little card kind of person, but I'm going to make the samples, and then I'm going to go and make things more standardized cards, because, oh, this got a little ruined. Oh, boo-hoo. Well, it's just white, and, it got a little ruined. Wah, wah. That's okay. There's plenty here to play with. Okay, so look at these cute little envelopes. And the other side has a color to them. So it looks like we have some Coastal Cabana envelopes that have a beautiful texture. So I'm already thinking, you know, cutting this apart and using that for background. So the other side is Coastal Cabana. And then we have some, looks like Old Olive. And it almost looks like a weathered wood. Sorry, I have that bright light, and sometimes the white kind of gets a little washed out if I go up too close. So there's a whole bunch of them here. And then here's the little note cards. And like I said, I'm not a big fan of little note cards. I'm being honest here. But we'll work with this. We'll do something. So they're almost like, now, if you're going to have a beach themed party, these would be perfect for, you know, putting the names on people, you know, putting names on people. Putting the people's names on here. Like, how fun would that be? Like, for their table seating? That would be great. So it looks like we have some, I want to say, is that Sahara sand, maybe? I'm thinking. And then we have, oh, look at that. Oh, now that one's fun. I like that. Oh, there's a couple different ones. Okay, wait. There we are with a little shading on there. So it looks like maybe there's 4 of each one. Now here's one with the beach, and that looks like the ocean. Looks like there's 4 of each design. Let me see if I missed any here. Maybe 4. Nope, that was it. Okay. And then Boohoo for this. But they always give you more. Oh, it looks like it got wrecked when it was like put in the packaging. But they always give you more than enough. And look at how they kind of shaded these little tags. Fun. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these palm trees. See, I didn't see anybody's kit, so this makes it like even more exciting. Oh my goodness, look at that. If you're going to the beach, they're right here. I was just mentioning on a previous video about doing memory keeping. There you are. So we have those palm trees. And then these little die cuts. We have this one. How much time do I have? Yeah, because I gibber too much. Sometimes the time goes by too quickly. I only get 15 minutes, and then YouTube gives me the bootski. Okay, so this punches out too. Okay. I'm looking here. And this comes out carefully. I don't want to be in a hurry and tear it. Oh, and then there's 2 little pieces in here that come out. You need your little pokey tool for that. But look at how fun that is. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's too fun. So you get 1 sheet, 2 sheets. Oh, and then you have these little, almost like palm leaves, branches. I don't know. I'm in the Northeast, so I'm not a, you know, palmy girl, but okay. So we get 2 sheets of those. Oh, and then there's even more tags here, little pop out, you know, for sayings. And oh, the heavens have just opened up. Look at these little sand dollars. And I don't know, is that picking up? This is all glimmer paper. Not picking up, but trust me. And then look at these little stars. This is all done on the glimmer paper. Maybe it's showing up a little better there. I don't know. This lighting stinko for glimmer paper. Okay. And then we have a whole huge sheet of glue dots. And I save these because there's always tons left over. And then here's a piece of chipboard. So you can save that and make little chipboard, you know, things out of it. Okay, so here is the kit. Here's what they make. Oh, they're too fun. But I wish they were bigger. Stampin' Up! If you're listening. Stampin' Sue Creates likes big cards. And here's step-by-step instructions. Look, you don't even have to read. But if you don't even like looking at this because it's black and white, go watch the video. Down here on the bottom, they have a ruler. And they started doing this for a little while ago. And how fun is that? But this is a good idea. I just did a video on being a demonstrator and a secret on being a demonstrator. And this would be great for, like, say, someone who's like me, who is a demonstrator, makes up these little cards, puts them in this little pocket. And, you know, I run into somebody that says, what is a Stampin' Up! Thing on the back of your car, you know? And I just whip out one of these little cards and share with them. It's an idea. Okay, so here it tells you everything your kit includes. It tells you how to stamp. So if it's your very first kit, you will receive an acrylic block in your first kit. So keep that acrylic block to use every month after that. How to clean and store. And here's all the social medias. So you can screenshot that or write it down or, you know, whatever you want to do. But look at all the stuff that you get. I mean, this is really, really fun. And I can't wait to create with it. So check me out over there at Facebook at Stampin' Sue Creates and see what I'm posting. I have a big event coming up Sunday. Oh, I'm super excited. I started doing this a few times already, and this is my Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog Bingo on Sunday, and it is just, it's a long time in coming because it's a lot of work and a lot of preparation, but I so love it, and the ladies that are coming are very excited. So I got to still prep for that, get things ready. But first, I'm going to stamp my paper pumpkin because I can and I want to. So, yeah, this is super fun. But I'm going to make bigger cards out of these little pieces. You'll see. It'll be fabulous. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell next to it where you'll receive notifications when I upload new videos. And leave a comment below. You know, let me know what you think. What do you think of this paper pumpkin? Are you interested? I can send you my personalized link and you can sign up and give it a try. You can do it month by month or 3, 6, or 12 months. Totally up to you. But by doing it multiple months, you save yourself some money and you can actually put it in as your own little workshop / party and get some benefits as well for being a host. So let me know, and we'll talk to you again real soon. So have a super stampin' day wherever you are, and bye for now.